Hazrat Miriam alayhi salam is the only female mentioned by her own name in the Holy Quran. The other ladies are always referred by the people they belong to. So what is the significance of the only mentioning of Mary? And why the other women are not mentioned by their own names?
MashaAllah, you are studying the Quran and Islamic teachings very profoundly. And I'm very happy with your questions, MashaAllah. Hazrat Maryam is specifically mentioned praising his chastity because the allegation of unchaste behavior has only been leveled against her, of all the mothers of the prophets. So this is a thing noteworthy. Never will you find in any history of religion a mention of an allegation against the mother of any prophet. They were known to be chaste ladies. The only lady against whom these allegations were leveled was Hazrat Maryam. So it's a great blessing of the Holy Quran and a great favor to the Christian world. Immense favor. That the mother of their so-called Son of God is declared absolutely chaste. Otherwise, the Muslims will have no reason why they should believe in Jesus Christ as a pious person at all, or a prophet of God. Because in that case, we will follow the Jewish claims and the ordinary verdict of normal births. Whenever someone is born to an unmarried woman, it is inferred automatically that this son is illegitimate. So we as Muslims might have followed the Jewish trend of assailing Hazrat Maryam for impiety. But the Holy Quran prevents us. No, don't do it. She was a very chaste lady, and the son born to him was a dear servant of God. So in this regard, I am amazed at the Quranic defense of the holy women. But it doesn't end there. There is more to it. In fact, all women are defended all over the world. That if a woman gives birth to a child without marrying, nobody has a right to allege that it is an illegitimate child if the mother claims that no man touched her. Now, this thing has been noticed by the scientists today. Previously, it was not known. Previously, they thought whoever was not married, the child must be illegitimate. Now, the Holy Quran touches upon this subject, which is very important, very universal in nature. It says that humans, that is the ladies among humans, can give birth to a child without ever being impious in their behavior and character. The scientists have now discovered that previously they had thought that it was not possible, but now the experiments show that a girl can give birth to a boy or a girl without having been touched by any man. So just the allegation will not mean anything. If the girl claims that no man has touched me, then she should be respected, and as some mullahs would advise, she should not be punished at all. Let her case be decided by Allah. If Allah knows she is wrong, Allah can punish her. If Allah knows that she is right, then she will be prevented from the mullah's influence over her. So what a protection, universal protection offered to all women in the world. Protection against their body and a protection against their honor. So that is why I like this question very much as you raised it. It needed to be explained.
Sorry, so it's not my question, it's Holashem's questions.
Holashem's question.
Acha.
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much for confessing that as well.
Yes. I
You,
should.
you have the boldness to confess.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Allah bless you. And now we turn to, after the translation.
Can I give my opinion about this question? I was thinking it's because the other ladies are all married ladies, but Mary wasn't married. That's why we used to name a lady by the name of his husband or his family. Was I right or not?
Because this is why she's mentioned.
Yes.
We don't know. How do you know all are married? Moreover, even she was married hurriedly by
Yes.
the family to create a blanket over her character. So as far as the marriage goes, people know that his family arranged to marry her predated.
Yes.
So that question could be resolved because of that. But no. This is important. Most of the mothers of prophets are not known.
Yeah.
We don't know whether they were married or not married. But one thing is known, that the only lady who happens to be the mother of a prophet who was assailed by the enemies as having given birth to an illegitimate child is Hazrat Maryam. See? Moreover, I have answered the question
Yes.
in two prongs. The first relates to the prophets and the other I mentioned in case of all births, all human births, and they are not necessarily prophets which are born to such ladies. Non-prophets could be born, but the honor of the ladies is protected. Got it? Good.
Shukriya.